MICTUNING 5-pin on-off rocker switch is SPST designed, single-pole single-throw, switch. It come along with a set of jumper wires, simple to install, can easily turn on, off the lights. Perfect appearance. Built in 2 premium LEDs emits cozy beam, penetrating to surface cover that illuminates the patterns, no longer fumble for the switch but clearly see it at the dark. Sturdy durability. Made of strengthened plastic and well-conductive pins, and all patterns are etched directly onto the switch surface to ensure long-lasting durability. Wide application. Standard 5-pin switch, rated at 20 amp 12V and 10 amp 24V, available for upgrading most wiring harness to control LED light bar, LED work lights, fog lamps, headlights, tail lights and auxiliary lamps, etc. Top reviews from the United States. Multiple switches notice. The internal LEDs could be a little brighter. If you happen to be using multiple switches as an initial setup, understanding that it's easier to pre-wire them so you don't have to remove a bunch of panels a second time. If you don't have anything hooked up to one of the switches but wired in series, so to speak, the light won't come on. Meaning the light that comes on with your interior lights when your headlights turn on. They will only illuminate when there is something attached to it. The switches are easy and seem well made so far. They do light better when both LEDs are active. I've attached a photo installed. Took some time with my install to make it look factory.